Breaking news! A momentous event is unfolding that will be remembered for years to come. Manila, Philippines. It's the morning of January 6, 2026, and the city awakens to a sense of anticipation and pride. The pride of the Philippine fleet, the BRP Tarlac, has made its triumphant return to home waters after months of extensive repairs and upgrades in Indonesia. This vessel, a symbol of national strength and unity, has been away for a long and challenging period, undergoing critical enhancements to better serve the country. The naval base buzzes with excitement as sailors and families await the homecoming. Emotions run high. Tears of joy, laughter, and heartfelt embraces fill the air as loved ones prepare to reunite after months apart. The BRP Tarlac's absence was deeply felt, leaving a void in the fleet and in the hearts of many. Its return marks a significant milestone for the Navy and the nation, symbolizing resilience and the unwavering spirit of the Filipino people. From Surabaya's renowned shipyards to Manila's welcoming shores, the Tarlac brings not just new equipment and advanced technology, but renewed hope and a powerful message of progress. The upgrades ensure the ship is ready to face new challenges and protect the nation's interests. Onlookers wave flags, their cheers echoing across the waterfront, welcoming the ship that stands as a steadfast guardian of security and sovereignty. The sense of national pride is palpable, uniting people from all walks of life. The ship's horn blares triumphantly, echoing across Manila Bay, announcing its arrival to the nation. Fireboats spray arcs of water in a jubilant salute, marking this historic moment with a spectacular display. With the flagship finally home, a new chapter for the Philippine Navy begins, one that promises a safer, more secure future for all Filipinos. The BRP Tarlac's return is not just a homecoming, but a beacon of hope and a testament to the enduring strength of the nation. The BRP Tarlac is not just a ship, it is the flagship of the Philippine Navy, standing as a powerful symbol of national pride, unity, and the country's growing maritime ambition. Its imposing presence on the water represents the hopes and determination of a nation that relies on the sea for its security and prosperity. Since its commissioning in 2016, this landing platform dock has served as the heart and nerve center of the Navy's surface fleet. It acts as a floating command center, enabling the Philippine Navy to project power and maintain a strong presence in the West Philippine Sea, where maritime security is of utmost importance. Named after the historic province of Tarlac, the ship carries with it a legacy of courage, resilience, and patriotism. Every mission it undertakes is a tribute to the Filipino spirit, honoring the sacrifices of those who came before and inspiring future generations of sailors. Built by Indonesia's PT PAL, the arrival of the BRP Tarlac marked a significant milestone, a new era for Philippine naval power and regional cooperation. Its construction and delivery showcase the importance of international partnerships in strengthening the country's maritime capabilities. For its dedicated crew, the Tarlac is more than a vessel. It is a home at sea. Here, sailors train, live, and form bonds that last a lifetime, always standing ready to serve and protect the nation's interests, no matter the conditions. Its versatile design allows it to launch helicopters, deploy landing craft, and transport troops, vehicles, and vital cargo. This flexibility makes the Tarlac indispensable for a wide range of missions, from military operations to humanitarian assistance. The BRP Tarlac is a warship, a transport, a floating hospital, and a command center all in one. Its multi-role capabilities ensure that it can adapt to any situation, whether in times of conflict or peace. The ship embodies a modern naval strategy, always ready to respond to any challenge, from defending the nation's sovereignty to providing disaster relief and humanitarian aid. The BRP Tarlac stands as a testament to the Philippine Navy's commitment to service, resilience, and the protection of the Filipino people. Beyond its formidable military capabilities, the BRP Tarlac stands as a symbol of hope and resilience for the nation. In times of disaster, when every second counts, the BRP Tarlac transforms from a warship into a lifeline for communities in need. The Philippines is no stranger to powerful typhoons, devastating earthquakes, and other natural calamities. When roads are impassable and ports are in ruins, the Tarlac becomes the first beacon of help, delivering vital aid to the most isolated and hardest-hit regions. Its versatile landing craft and helicopters allow the ship to reach even the most remote coastal villages, ferrying not just supplies, but also rescue teams and emergency responders directly to those in desperate need. On board, the Tarlac is equipped with advanced medical facilities, where Navy doctors and medics provide urgent care, treat injuries, and offer comfort to disaster survivors who have lost everything. The ship's massive cargo holds are packed with essential relief goods, food, clean water, blankets, and medicines, ready to be distributed to families in crisis. It also carries heavy equipment and construction vehicles, enabling rapid recovery and rebuilding efforts in devastated areas, helping communities get back on their feet. For many, the sight of the Tarlac on the horizon brings hope and reassurance, a reminder that they are not alone and will not be forgotten in their darkest hour. These humanitarian missions highlight the Navy's unique dual role, defending the nation's borders while also protecting and serving its people in times of need. Whether evacuating civilians, securing disaster zones, or standing guard against threats, the Tarlac and her crew are always ready to respond. The BRP Tarlac is more than just a warship. It is a vessel of peace, forging a stronger bond between the military and the Filipino people. With every humanitarian mission, the Navy reaffirms its unwavering commitment to serve, protect, and uplift every Filipino, especially in times of crisis. Even the mightiest ships need rest and renewal. After years of service, the BRP Tarlac underwent a major overhaul at PT PAL in Surabaya, Indonesia, its birthplace. The shipyard's expertise ensured repairs met the highest standards. Filipino Navy engineers joined the process, gaining hands-on experience and fostering technology transfer. This collaboration deepened regional ties and built local expertise for future maintenance. Every system was inspected and restored, ensuring the Tarlac's reliability for years to come. The overhaul was more than maintenance. It was a mission of partnership and learning. The goal restored the BRP Tarlac to peak condition for critical national duties. The ship's journey to Surabaya was a strategic investment in both hardware and human capital. The PT PAL overhaul brought vital upgrades to the BRP Tarlac. Engines and generators were serviced for reliability and endurance. Combat, navigation, and communication systems were modernized, sharpening the ship's capabilities. These enhancements make the Tarlac smarter and more formidable for 21st century challenges. Rigorous sea trials tested every system, speed, maneuverability, sensors, and mission equipment. The ship passed with flying colors, proving the overhaul's success. The Tarlac returns not just repaired, but enhanced, ready to resume its role as guardian of the seas. This achievement is a testament to months of hard work and international teamwork. The BRP Tarlac's overhaul is a story of international cooperation between the Philippines and Indonesia. Filipino sailors and engineers worked side by side with PT PAL experts, gaining invaluable skills in ship maintenance. This hands-on experience boosts the Navy's self-reliance and reduces future dependence on foreign shipyards. The project strengthened diplomatic and defense ties, setting a model for regional collaboration. By sharing expertise, both nations enhance their maritime security and stability. The Tarlac returns as a renewed asset and a symbol of friendship forged at sea. This partnership plants the seeds for a more capable, self-sufficient Philippine Navy. The BRP Tarlac's return is a milestone in the Philippine Navy's modernization. It's part of the Horizon program, a multi-year strategy to build a credible, modern fleet. The Tarlac-class ships marked a turning point, moving beyond aging hand-me-downs to purpose-built vessels. The Navy is acquiring new frigates, corvettes, and fast attack craft to secure our vast maritime domain. More landing platform docks are planned, each more advanced than the last. These ships will expand the Navy's reach for defense and humanitarian missions. Modernization is driven by the need to protect our long coastline and rich resources. The Navy's transformation is a long-term investment in national security and regional stability. Modern landing platform docks like the BRP Tarlac are game-changers for Philippine security. With greater range and capacity, the Navy can maintain a persistent presence across the archipelago. These ships enable rapid deployment of Marines and equipment, crucial for defense and disaster response. Their flight decks extend the reach of naval aviation for patrol and relief missions. A larger fleet means faster, more effective disaster relief nationwide. These versatile ships give leaders flexible options for any crisis, military or humanitarian. Investing in these new guardians means a more secure, resilient Philippines. The BRP Tarlac's return is a boost to Navy morale and a symbol of national progress. It shows the nation's commitment to investing in its defenders and their tools. The Tarlac's homecoming signals the Philippines' readiness to uphold regional security and international order. The experience gained abroad inspires dreams of building such ships locally, aiming for true self-reliance. The Tarlac's journey is a story of renewal, partnership, and rising maritime ambition. The flagship is home, the crew is ready, and the Navy sails forward with renewed strength. The horizon is bright for a modern, credible, and proudly Filipino Navy. A new chapter has begun.